Hey yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Zack, Vesaci back in the motherfucking cut. If I'm saying hit me, man. And today we are doing a math equation as usual. Now this is a seemingly hard equation of solve for x, right? We have 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power x squared is equal to 6. Now a lot of people have a problem with this square there, because normally you would be given an equation for solve for x to be let's just say 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x. This is equals to 6. So this is a case that we are all familiar with. Then we just simply group this, because we know mathematically that
a to the power of y times b to the power of y is the same as ab to the power of y.
Because ab share an exponent of y, we can just put them in parentheses and set it to the power of y. So this is what we know, right? So essentially, if we have this case over here, we would just say that this is 2
times 3, all to the power of x, this is equals to 6. Therefore, 2 times 3, that's 6. So it's 6 to the power of x, which is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 1.
So that's just a nice equation there that we are familiar with. But now, getting back to our original equation, 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x squared is equal to 6. Now, how will we tackle this? Let me just use a new page and just rewrite the equation. 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x squared, this is equals to 6. All right. What can I do? Can I just, just like maybe cancel this square and just say 2 times 3 to the power of x is equals to 6, like we're used to? Or like what can I do? What can I do? I'm just kidding. I know the solution. 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x squared, this is equals to 6. Let me just show you the solution to this. All right. Right. So this is how you would tackle this kind of equation. And I'm sorry for like beating around the bush and stuff. So this is what essentially you would want to do. Anytime you have a problem with exponential equations, always try to include logarithms, right? So we know that
the logarithm of, maybe let's say b to the power of k, this is the same as k times log of b.
So essentially, this is why we have to introduce logarithms, or we may introduce logarithms, because they allow us to make the exponent a base, right? So let's introduce logarithms. But my favorite kind of logarithm is the natural log. So I'm going to be introducing that. You can also do it with the actual log, and you can share the answer on the comments. So we have 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x squared is equals to 6. Let us introduce ln both sides. Therefore, ln of 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x squared, this is equals to ln of 6. Right? Right. Now, what do we have? We have ln, the natural log of a product. What does a property of the logarithms tell us? One of the property of logarithms tells us that
log of AB is the same as log of A plus log of B.
So essentially, if we have the natural log of 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x squared, then we can just break this down using this formula. So this would be our A and this would be our B. Now, if we continue, then we're going to say log of A, which is, I'm using ln. So ln of 2 to the power of x, which is my A, plus log of b, which is going to be ln of 3 to the power of x squared. This is equals to ln of 6. And now, because we have ln on everything, we are allowed to take the exponents to become bases. So this x here is going to be a base. X squared is going to also be a base. Therefore, we are going to be having x times ln 2 plus x squared times ln 3. This is equals to ln 6. And now, ladies and gentlemen, x squared times ln 3, let me just write this first, plus, let me just write the second, x ln 2, transpose this that side, minus ln 6, this is equal to 0. And now we have a nice quadratic equation. Therefore, x is going to be
equal to plus or minus, x is going to be equal to minus ln 2 plus or minus the square root of what? Of ln 2 r squared. Now remember, there's a difference between ln 2 squared and ln 2 r squared, so you cannot take this exponent to become a base, right? Minus 4, my a is ln 3, my b is negative ln 6. Let me just extend the root there. Now this is all divided by 2 ln 3, or you can just say ln 6.
I mean, you can just say ln 9, I'm sorry. So that is the solution to this equation. It's been your boy Zack Vesaci. Stick around for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified the next time I drop. And, oh yeah, by the way, I was just doing mathematics here. Just a lot of stuff here.